They're ready for stardom. They're ready for fame. They're ready for their close-up.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by
Come on, girls. Let's go shopping.
This is the story of three hard-working guys.
What kind of cabaret do you do?
We dress up in women's clothes and parade around mouthing the words to other people's songs.
Who are about to discover
Ta-da!
Been asked to do a show out of town.
How long is the run?
4 weeks.
that hitting the road is hard.
I hereby christen this budget Barbie camper Priscilla, Queen of the Desert.
Especially in heels.
Sorry.
Along the way, they'll discover surprises.
It's Gabardine! I haven't seen Gabardine for years!
Uncover secrets.
Is it true that her real name's Ralph?
I'm gonna smack his face so hard.
And learn that with friends like these,
How long have we been on the road?
4.5 hours.
life's never a drag.
What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, my God. Where are we? You got us into this, and I suggest you start thinking about how to get us back.
I mean, who runs this bloody hotel in the middle of nowhere anyway?
My wife. I'm married.
This is getting too weird. Come on, girls.
Rehearsal time.
Haven't got any kids stashed away out there as well, have you?
Mr. Belrose?
Yes?
It's a boy.
You actually make money by dressing up like a woman.
Oh, sure. You can make a fine living in a pair of heels.
Prepare for a comedy that just may change the way you think.
Tony, Adam, this is Mr. and Mrs. Spencer.
Hello. Oh, wait!
The way you feel.
Who taught you to waltz?
My wife?
And most of all,
Aren't we fabulous?
the way you dress.
How many times do I have to tell you green is not your color?
The Adventures of Priscilla, Queen of the Desert.
Do you have the Texas Chainsaw Mascara?
Now there's a gentleman.